In this video, we will compare Dify versus Vectorshift. Dify and Vectorshift serve different needs, catering to distinct audiences in financial and investment spaces. Dify is a personal finance and budgeting app designed to help users manage their money and track spending. It aims to prove and provide a simple, user-friendly interface for many individuals looking to take control of their financial lives. This is by offering features such as expense tracking, savings goal, budget management. Dify focuses on making everyday financial management more accessible for people who want to gain better financial habits without being overwhelmed by complex investment tools. It's ideal for people who want to focus more on managing personal finances, saving money, and staying within their budget. In contrast, Vectorshift. Vectorshift is a comprehensive portfolio management tool designed for active investors and traders. It's built for users who want to track multiple investment portfolios, analyze market trends, and use automated buy and sell signals based on data-driven insights. Vectorshift helps investors by ranking stocks based on momentum and relative strength, offering real-time alerts and advanced tools for deeper levels of analysis. This makes it more suited for many people with keen interest in trading or trends. While Dify is more than managing everyday personal finances, the setting of financial goals, Vectorshift is tailored for people who want to have a more sophisticated, informed decision when getting involved in financial markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.